An unknown force is hurtling through the cosmos. Its destination, Earth. Is it a harbinger of a new era, an alien probe sent by a distant civilization? Or is it NASA's worst nightmare, a cosmic threat of unimaginable proportions? Right now, deep within NASA's control rooms, the brightest minds are glued to their screens. They've tracked this mysterious object, but its true purpose remains shrouded in enigma. Every blip on the radar, every piece of data, only deepens the mystery. Zooming in, we see it. Not just a rock, but a sophisticated craft. Adorned with symbols unlike any human language, pulsing with an alien technology far beyond our current understanding. Is this a message, a warning, or something else entirely? NASA is scrambling, preparing a daring interception mission. Our best engineers are prepping a spacecraft, our bravest astronauts ready to launch into the unknown. But the probe's capabilities are astonishing. Its signals flickering with an intelligence we can't yet decipher. It seems to react, to anticipate our every move. The tension is palpable as the object draws nearer to our blue planet. Strange energy pulses emanate from it, their effects on our world still a terrifying question mark. What does it want? Are we truly ready for first contact, or the single greatest encounter in human history? The fate of humanity hangs precariously in the balance. This is NASA's ultimate challenge, a showdown against a cosmic force that could change everything. Can they unravel the mystery and control this cosmic threat before it's too late? Or will this encounter prove that we are not alone, and perhaps not in control of our own destiny? The universe is holding its breath. The cosmic showdown is about to begin. Who will control the future? Make sure you're subscribed and have notifications turned on, because you won't want to miss a single update on this unfolding story. Thanks for watching.